cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. My name is Larissa and this is my friend.
Hey.
And we are back. It has been a while since we've done an episode. The last episode I think we did was what? Spirit Halloween, like back in October. But guys, we got slammed with orders. We've been baking like crazy.
Yeah.
But we're finally back. Thanks so much for being with us. Have you noticed our subscriber count? Look at that up there, how cool. It's telling me my subscribers.
Look at all them!
We are so close to 1,000. Thank you so much. If you have been here since we had like 40 subscribers, please let us know in the comments below so we can personally say thank you for sticking around with us. Okay, so today we are going to go through our whole cookie set, some fun merch that we found for Elf's 20th anniversary.
Yes, there's a
20
lot!
years. Show you some Krispy Kreme donuts. We're gonna do some Elf trivia, see how well we know the movie.
Yes, I want to see how well you know it.
And then Hanks made me a special surprise, and I'm just gonna ruin it for you right now.
Yes!
He literally made me the pasta that Buddy the Elf eats. So if you stick around
Oh,
to the
yes!
end, I'm gonna eat that. Yum.
Yes!
Let's get right to it. So the cookie that we showed you today is the Bye Buddy, Hope You Find Your Dad.
Oh, look at him!
Probably the best part of the movie for me.
Mr. Narwhal.
I think he's so freaking cute. Cotton-headed Ninny Muggins.
What's your language?
What is this one, Hank?
It's the 4 food groups!
It's so cute. So we got the candy canes, candy corn,
And syrup.
syrup. We've got Buddy the Elf's
Okay,
legs.
feet.
Okay, and then watch. Here's his
Oh, that's his torso.
torso. This is getting weird,
He's
actually.
got no arms.
And then look at how cute this is. So my thought was that
So you stole his outfit.
you could like put all of these in one big long bakery box and sell them in a set just like this. How cute is that? You can watch how all of them were made on our other playlist, the relaxing cookie decorating videos.
Yeah.
Let me know which one is your favorite. And let me know which one you would have made. Like, what cookie am I missing here? What could I have done instead?
This looks like someone needs a hug.
Or Son of a Nutcracker?
Oh, Son of a Nutcracker's good.
Oh, Hank also had the idea to make all the little animals in the beginning and the snowman and all
Let's
that.
give props.
Go ahead.
To who made those animals? Chiodo Brothers? Possible?
The guys who made Killer Clowns are also known for their stop motion.
Yes!
And they are the ones who animated those little animals in the beginning.
We love you guys!
We love you. Look, you really know we love them because over here we have our Killer Clowns selection. Of
We
things.
hope you watch us!
Next thing on our list, some merch. You know how much I love talking about some good old merch.
Amazon was full of merch.
All right, so we're gonna start with actually Pura Vida. You know the bracelet company? We've got the Clawsometer. I'll pop up a close-up, but look at this bracelet.
Please.
It's the Clawsometer on the sled. All right, so that was the Clawsometer. The next one might be my favorite. Look at how cute. It's the 4 food groups. The candy canes, candy corn, candy,
And syrup.
Syrup. Look at how cute this one is. And then together they're adorable. And then this one came as a set, which I'm gonna take it back. This one's my favorite. Look, it's this delicate little gold metal and it says Son of a Nutcracker, and there's a little nutcracker charm next to it. And it also came with this gold traditional Pura Vida bracelet and this stretchy one with Christmas colors. Now there's another company, Alex and Ani, which I'm not really sure if they're cool anymore. I feel like I still
watch yourself.
I still like
They're
wearing
cool.
them. They are. I still like wearing them, but I feel like I don't like so many people wearing them. But if you still like Alex and Ani,
You do you.
You do you.
That's right.
Look at how cute this one is. It says, "Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad."
Oh, he's so cute.
Does
Mr.
it
Narwhal.
get better than that? Next, we have, for the 20th anniversary, so I don't actually own it. Okay, look at how cute these are from Loungefly. You know how much we love Loungefly?
Yes.
All right, so they've got the 20th anniversary.
Oh, it's a mini backpack.
With the Etch-a-Sketch.
I don't know how I feel about animated Buddy. He's cute, but
I think
he's
he's
very
adorable.
lanky.
He's adorable. And then look at the back.
He's sitting on Papa Elf's lap.
So like he's the animated one like from the book that Buddy wrote.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, I got that.
Little Etch-a-Sketch wallet.
Oh.
And it's lenticular, so when you move it, it says 2 different things. And I think
What was that word?
lenticular.
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 Huh.
It says, does somebody need a hug? Or it says, Santa, I know him.
Santa! I know him!
Yes.
I know him!
All right, we've got some Krispy Kreme donuts.
crispy! That should be the 5th food group. Donuts!
Got the Buddy Snow Globe. Oh my god, the Buddy makes breakfast donut. Then we got the Christmas Lights donuts and the Santa Belly donut, which is
offensive.
filled with...
It's offensive! Santa Belly!
What would you get, Hank? Like, if you could only get one, which one would it be?
Oh, it's totally be the snow globe.
The donut that I would get would definitely be the breakfast one. I think that's so cute. And next we've got...
Mrs. Buttersworth 20th Anniversary Edition Maple Syrup!
Look how cute this is. It's Mrs. Buttersworth. Last piece of merch is my headband. I'll bring a close-up, but look at how cute!
It is from a site called Junk, but it's definitely not junk.
Definitely not junk.
It's some cool junk.
Look at how cute this is. It's got all the little animals on it. I love this. Hank has some trivia. Let's see how well we do.
Let's see how well you don't do.
Oh, you know what? I always watch movies. I try to pay attention.
And then you have your narcolepsy.
My mind starts to wander or I'll fall asleep out of nowhere. So let's just see how much...
you turn around and you go, wow, I don't remember seeing that in the movie I saw 15,000 times.
All right, Hank, that's rude. Let's go with the elf trivia. Here. Good job, me. I did a good job. Last piece.
That's it! Now it's time! Look how delicious!
Can we just look at that for a second?
Yeah!
So
this is all gonna come out as quick as it goes in!
There's peppermint marshmallows, cold pasta, syrup.
It was warm.
M&Ms.
Made it feel like 3 hours ago.
I mean, he wanted to put Pop-Tarts in there and all that stuff, but I'm like, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this.
A real sugary combo.
All right, so Hank, do you want to try some, or is this just
No! It'll stick to my fur.
Actually,
it's going to stick to your ribs.
Oh my god.
You got to get all those sweet treats. Come on. Get everything. Marshmallows.
Oof.
Syrup.
Oh my god, what if I...
Oh, look at that one. Yep, that's the one.
Guys, this is disgusting.
That's your bite. Just do it. Remember, zoom in on her face. Look at it. It's good, right? You gotta finish it.
You rake it out of here. That was disgusting.
Take one more bite. I made you lunch.
That was worse than I thought. I gotta say though, ever since I saw that movie like 20 years ago, how crazy is that? I always was like, I want to try pasta in syrup. If you ever felt like that, I'm gonna tell you right now, I did it for you.
Will Ferrell said he was disgusting.
You don't have to.
It was so gross.
Okay, so guys, this was the episode. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching how some of these cookies were made. Go check out how the rest of the cookies were made on our other playlist. Guys, we are almost at 1,000 subscribers.
Yes!
I can't believe it. My goal was to hit 1,000 at the end of the year. We're almost at the end of the year, and
Come
you guys,
on!
thank you for supporting us in our crazy adventures and all of our cookie decorating. It means the world to us. It really does.
Yes.
This is so much fun, and I'm so happy if we can bring you some kind of joy and something to look forward to. So thank you. I really, really mean that. Thank you so much. This is mine and Hank's last episode for 2023. We will, of course, be back in 2024 with some really cool cookies. Let me give you a quick sneak peek. If you know what this is from, I love you.
Oh.
That's all I'm saying. Guys, we love you. We appreciate you. This has been a blast this year. Our channel has grown, and I am so excited
It's so
to see where it's gonna go in 2024. Wishing you all the best. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. And we will see you next time, Cookie Friends.
Next time!
Bye.
Happy New Year! Who is it? Answer it. Hang up. No!
Woo! Okay. Holy crap. You know how hard it is to get something to look good in my hair? Cut in the head, you... Cut.
What?
Okay.
Huh? That's what she said.
Okay, and
Mrs. Butterworth! 20... Ah! All of it!
that does not smell good.